and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to use ChatGPT to set exams question for your class. So in this tutorial, I'll be setting question for Basic 7 learners. So let's get into it. So first, what you have to do is to open your ChatGPT. Then you click on the plus icon, go to the upload file or photos, then click on it. Then you have to navigate to select where the PDF is. So in case you don't have the PDF of the, let's say, the textbook, you can send me a DM of the subject. I can see if I can get you the textbook. So here I'm going to set science question, so for basic 7, and I click open. Then what I'm going to do is that I'll wait for it to load. Now once it loads, I'll be typing in some commands. Is that okay? So you can pause the video to look at the command. So I've been able to type this. All right, so here is so set an objective exam question for class basic 7 subject science. Now I'm reading from the topics from page 29, okay, to the end. Okay, so let's check. So from page 29 down to where you want the questions to be from. Okay, from page 29 to okay, so let me end it at 47, page 6 electronics. Okay, so I'll end it at 80. Okay, so to page 80. Okay, to page 80. So here you just have to set your page numbers clearly so that it will know where exactly it will set from and then to. Okay, all right, okay. So once you are done, you just hit the send button and wait for the command or wait for the questions to be set. So now it's reading the document. So here we go. So it has set the exam question for us right from where we want it. So you just go through it and see if the questions are okay or you want it to modify it a bit. So if you want any modification, what you just have to do is just to give it a command to modify it and tell it it's too easy or something. It should be more standard, and it will reset it for you. And it's as simple as that. So when you are done, you just have to scroll down to the bottom and then you copy it. And then you copy it, then you move to your MS Word, then you paste it, then you do the page adjustment. Thank you very much for watching.